Legs. Foot. How many eyes do we have? How many ears do we have? How many nose do we have? Which body parts help us to see? Which body part help us to hear? Which body part help us to smell? Which body part help us to taste? Which body part help us to write? Which body part help us to walk? Very good. Thank you all.